One's opening up all the cells. Hey guys, Olga Sobi here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a double traveling open cup pour on a color split base. For my color split, I'm gonna work on these beautiful turquoise and blue as well as white colors. And for the flow for the open cup, I got some bright colors here. So let's see how it works. Let's get started. So for the traveling open cup, I'm gonna be using this cookie cutter. I always use cookie cutters, and I got quite a few questions about them. So the reason I'm using cookie cutter instead of cut paper cup or plastic cup is because, first of all, this stuff is reusable. I just wipe it or clean it after use and it's good to go again. And also I like that it's actually quite heavy. It's much heavier compared to paper cup or plastic cup. So it doesn't normally begin to flow until I put paint all the way to the rim and actually travel it myself. And I find that it gives me more control over the composition, and I like that. I will link a set of cookie cutters that I'm using in the description under this video. Okay, let's start adding those colors. Normally I do my open cup with a Floetrol mixture, but today I'm gonna do it with just acrylic paint and water mixture. Let's see how that's gonna work. So for the base, I was trying to plan out how the flow is gonna go. Yeah, this is looking good. So this part is gonna be bluish. And let's have turquoise on that side. And the rest is going to be white. Also guys, I'm very excited to share that this month we are offering a discount for our acrylic pouring A to Z online course. So if you have been thinking about getting it or been thinking about really diving deep into different aspects of acrylic pouring, supplies, composition, color theory, different techniques, how to finish your painting and how to get it ready for sale, and honestly, the whole lot more aspects related to acrylic pouring. All of these we are covering in our course. So definitely check it out, and the coupon code is FALL15. It's right here, and I will also include all the information in the description under the video. Check it out. The base is done. Now let's just torch it out to pop the air bubbles. If you don't have a torch, that's okay, you don't have to use it, it's not mandatory in acrylic pouring, but it really helps to pop the air bubbles that are in the paint from mixing, from applying it to the canvas or panel. Oh yeah, and by the way, today I'm working on this 14 by 18 cradled wood panel. I don't think I mentioned it before. Okay, torching is done. Now let's do the travel. So I just thought I'm actually gonna use 2 cups instead of one. One smaller one for the top and bigger one for the bottom part. Okay. For the colors, in my bottom flow, I'm gonna add some turquoise to balance out the top, and in the top flow, I'm gonna add some of this greenish blue color to balance out the bottom. So they sort of echoing each other. Hope that makes sense. Let's start. I also want to add orange, but see, I'm only adding orange away from my blue because blue and orange would give me some matte. So I'm adding orange over gold and over this red violet because I don't want it to touch blue. If it mixes a little bit, that's okay, but not the whole lot. Okay, so let's cover that orange with more red violet. Now a little bit more of the blue on top. Okay, let's travel it. Always such an exciting moment for me. Okay, let's do it. Such a rich, bright, beautiful colors showing up. Love it. This is so gorgeous already. I really like this section right here with bright pop of orange and gold. Looking good. Just like it should. I might play around with this one a little more, but for now, I'm just gonna torch it and proceed to this little guy. So for this one, of course, I wouldn't need that much paint. Oh, I just realized that I didn't add the turquoise. Brilliant. To this one, it still looks good, but in this one, I have to make sure that I'm adding some of this green blue, otherwise these parts will be completely different. That happens. So adding all the same colors in the same order, except for I added some of this color, greenish blue, to my top cup. In the meantime, the way this one's opening up all the cells, slowly stretching out too, freaking amazing. Actually, why wouldn't I turn it towards me? Yeah, that makes more sense. Now this is plenty of paint in this top cup. Let's travel this beauty. Doing a small loop back like here, because I love how it looks. So much movement and depth. Gorgeous! So I want to add a few touches of this turquoise, and I'm literally doing it with my finger because I forgot to put it in the cup. So in some areas where it wouldn't look too weird. Pretty amazing what just paint and water mixture can get you. You'll never get tired of this. Okay, this is looking beautiful already, but I want to blow out some of this paint towards the white. There's too much white, and my initial intention was to create these flows and then blow them towards each other. So this is the next step in this video. Some days I live with the motto, paint in the hair, don't care, but today is not the day. So yeah, put my hair back and let's blow some of this paint. This is quite a carnival of cells and colors that's happening in this section. You know, already, for me, this painting is very cheerful. All these colors are so bright, juicy, energetic. I'm getting the coral reef vibe, but at the same time, some parts look like a beautiful gemstone. Gemstones underwater. See, in this section, I love how this orange pops a lot. It stands out so well on this turquoise color. It's a turquoise green. So these actually work really well together. This side was a little bit more stubborn for me, but I love it now. I'm ready to stop. Let's see how it dries. And here it is, dry, finished with a layer of epoxy resin. This is why it's so nice and shiny. And these colors dried awesome. You can see the gold and these beautiful iridescent colors. They really pop on a darker background. And you know what? There is something so special about the composition when there is a white river in it. I like to call it the white river. I think it's perfect. Not only this section creates, of course, a lot of contrast with the darker colors, but it's also a perfect area for eye to rest after browsing and discovering all these bright intense, colorful sections. So it's nice resting and transition section. I don't know, this is just how it is for me, and I totally love this type of composition. I think that both of these sections dried really nice. This one is more deep and contrasty, and this one has such a happy and just cheerful vibe for me. I don't know, these colors, the turquoise, orange and gold, they create such a positive look for me. And this painting was created with just paint and water, so pretty awesome, right? Alright you guys, please let me know how you like today's outcome. As always, I will chat with you in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay creative. Bye bye. See you in the next one.